So I get asked this question pretty often, right? Especially because I've been posting some of these videos. And the question is, am I doing fix and flips? The answer is, I am not doing fix and flips myself yet, but the videos that you've seen is from an investor who does fix and flips. How do I come in is he needs money to either buy the property or money for the construction. What I do is I gather the funds for this investor so that he can either buy the property or pay for the construction. So either I use some of my money to fund either the down payment or part of the construction, or I bring some of my friends in who want to invest, and we put our money together and we help the investor to fix the property, and then when it sells, we get paid out. In most cases, he already has another property that he's already fixed. We even get paid out when that other project sells. So even though the construction is not done on this property, we're already getting paid out from a previous project. If you don't know about real estate and you just want to put your money to work, partner with someone who is already doing it, who knows how to do it, or contact me and I can give you some information. Hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions that I can answer. Peace.